Vanessa Bling is still standing on the Billboard chart with her new EP. The dancehall diva released her new EP Still Standing in September last year, but last week the project re-entered the Billboard Reggae Chart Top 10, which means that dancehall fans are still heavily streaming the album. The 6-track EP features songs like Freedom and Real Love, which are among the fans' favorite. Upon its release, Still Standing spent 13 consecutive weeks on the reggae chart, but now there are clear signs that she sees a resurgence. "I feel absolutely great to know that the hard work has paid off," Vanessa Bling said. "Last year I took the entire year to do this EP, cause I wanted to make sure that we put out the right work. I woke up couple days ago and saw that I'm back on it, so it goes to show that great music does live on and people really listen all across the world. I'm grateful, and I wanna thank all my fans for the support. Let's go #1. Vanessa Bling says she is considering doing a gospel project next.